Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 22nd of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Scorpio, we're going straight into your reading, but before we go into your reading, we're going back in the past, from the blast of the past, for one of the biggest songs that it made it to fucking World Cup. The way the song is big. And all it needed was the mannequin help of this very beautiful artist. This is your channel song. Selena! Move! Guys. Selena! Selena, move a little more, Selena! Selena, some energy! Baby, come down, come down. Girl, do your body for hard for lockdown, for lockdown, for lockdown. Boy, you sweet like Fanta, oh, Fanta, oh. If I tell you, say I love you, from my knee go and go, and then go. Tell me no, 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 oh, 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 oh. Baby, come give me a la 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 la. You got me like oh, 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 oh. Shawty, come give me a la 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 la. As it is fade by from the body, he wear yellow. Oh. Every other girl they're too much, but this guy mellow. Oh. And I didn't find the situation and get oh hello. Finally I find what you talking about, but the boy don't follow. When the boy a pump on ya, when I didn't the pump on ya. When I start to feel like and it knows that it's getting good, but you're feeling so insecure, oh, come in the natural chewing gum. Selena! And I know when I take no lie. Just my brain's bookie painting and painting and painting. Do it once, do it twice. Take it back for the night. Take it back for the night. Let me show you I can come down, come down. Dance with me and take the lead. Selena! Right now, I'm so high that I can't come down, come down. Don't you act, you know you're allowed, allowed. When I'm with you, I can't say no, oh, 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 oh. Baby, come get, Selena! Selena, move! I'm getting calm down, Scorpio. I know that you really want this love for lockdown, but Scorpio, you know you're sweet like Fanta, oh, Fanta, oh. If I tell you, say I love you, Jesus Christ, you're not Rima! Talking about you want to solve our fucking problems, you want to solve world hunger, you want to solve women's mental health problems, you want Rima! Fuck up. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. So I'm getting, so you need somebody to calm down, okay? Calm down, I'm here. Calm down, I'm still chill. You remember that thing, keep calm? Keep calm, I'm still a loser. Keep calm, I'm still homeless. Okay, anyways, let's see what your overall message is. We have the Three of Wands. I'm getting touring, you're traveling. Or I'm getting you're right about to move. You're gonna relocate. I don't know if you're relocating permanently or you're just relocating because you're doing business somewhere else, okay? That is your overall message though, so let us go ahead and go into your reading. Scorpio. Let us go. I'm tasting metal in my mouth. Usually if I taste metal, it means blood. There's something about blood. I'm tasting blood, like the taste of blood, what blood tastes like in my mouth. I'm tasting metal, cold metal. Usually that's how blood tastes. Not that I'm a fan of blood, I'm just saying, if you know, let me not convince you that I'm not a vampire. Okay, so we have the Eight of Swords coming on first. So what is it? So I'm sorry. You were supposed to ask a question, okay? I'm so sorry, don't forget. All right, so if whatever question you have in your head and you want to ask or you want the answers to, me getting it's a no. Me getting if you do it, you're a trap. If you do it, you're stressed out. Or if you do it, you're going to be set back at least 8 years. I don't know what this is. So whatever question you had is a no. Now, if you don't follow the no, and you decide, you know what, I'm going to do it, I know better. All things are possible. Then you're going to have the Six of Pentacles. Now, Six of Pentacles is usually your whole life, the whole 8 years, you're going to be living paycheck to paycheck. No savings, no additional buying things for the house, making you just a live for go back to work and live for eat. I'm not sure. Okay, so this could be something about a foreign work opportunity. Somebody said come to America, come to Canada, go to a foreign country, go work. Me getting, that's the basis of the reading. You're wondering if you go work. Me getting if you go, them are gonna trap you out, them not gonna pay you. Whatever them say them gonna pay you half and take half. And them are probably gonna charge you for boarding, them are gonna charge you for food. You're basically gonna feel stuck. Cause me getting you not have you're gonna have to take the whole year for save something, for do anything. And me getting them not giving you enough for you go back home. You can't leave. Me don't know what kind of, I'm getting a really shitty contract you signed. So if you decide to go and you don't follow what you're saying, you're going to be stuck in this work loop. Now, if you do follow my advice and don't go, all right, because you know that this is not good for you, or you know that something wrong about this opportunity, then I'm getting it's going to be the King of Pentacles. You feel like going to a foreign country is going to make you more money. That don't mean you're going to make more money because you go foreign country. Just because the dollars convert over, yes, you're going to make more money back in your country, but you have to can get your hands on the dollars. So again, if you leave, you're going to live paycheck to paycheck. You see, if you stay and do whatever this is, me get you be King of Pentacles. You're going to have more money if you stay. And you might be like, that can't be possible. No, I have a chance to go to a foreign country and do. This is what I'm reading. If you stay, you're going to make way more money than if you leave. Something like that. And what is your universal direction? The Page of Pentacles. Yeah, me getting you start something already in your country. It not fully flourish yet, but you're saying maybe we should take it to somewhere else. And somebody might be like, yeah man, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you get the business registered. I'm gonna help you with the business, blah, blah, blah. Me getting a just start, don't leave. The most crucial part of any business, any social media, website, anything what start up, is the first 4 years is the hardest. If you can get through 1, 2, 3, 4, you're good. You will be like enough clientele for support you for year 5, 6, 7, and how long after. So I'm getting wherever you're there now, stay there. If you take up your education and leave and go give other people this idea, I'm getting you assigned to a company who are going to use you. So I'm getting it better you stay. I know it's not going to be flashy. It would be better taking pictures on a plane and everything. You can take the pictures after you have the money. But me getting here saying, should I pack up my business and leave, or am I for stay where I'm there? Me getting stay where you're there. Your business is already at clientele. Maybe I need it to grow wider, so you're saying, oh, it's not growing, so I need to relocate. No. You have to go through the first 4 years of anything you do. The first 4 years. FBI. We have the Fool card. We have MK Ultra. We have Cursed. Yeah, I feel like you're gonna pack up and go where you go for this business. Then I'm gonna end up take the idea from you, write you out. You won't have a contract. The High Priestess, this is what I'm telling you. So you can believe or you can reject what I say. Just like how your son is rejecting the fact that he still wants to marry that girl. And we have the Devil card. So I'm going to leave it here until next time, Scorpio. Bye.